What's going on, people? It's JMO from Fullydrivenn. I'm back with another video, a little POV drive for you guys today. I know I've been MIA for a minute, but you know, there's just not enough hours in the day. So we're gonna go on a little drive today. I'm gonna show you guys the intake that we've put on, the IE intake, and give you some exhaust noise. I don't really do much of how the exhaust sounds. If you go over to Insta, there's loads of reels and pictures, but there's not many sound clips of how the car sounds, so I'll get some of those today. I know everyone wants to hear it or ask how it sounds, but yeah. And you know what, video will never ever do it justice, but let's hope we get some good shots. But yeah, let's get started. We got spring on the horizon, but it's still a bit of a frosty one. Just about 1 degree this morning, but the sun's shining. The road's a little bit greasy, but it's not too bad. We're up to temperature as well. Never ever push it or have a spirited drive when the engine's cold. That's a big no-no. But yeah, man, we'll get some clips or some flybys of the car too, hopefully. But yeah, shout outs again to integrated engineering for the air intake. This one's a lot louder than the RS, the racing line intake that I had on there, but maybe because it is an open intake, it's not got a cover on or anything like that, so allowing a bit more noise to come through. And I think overall the pickup's pretty strong, low down from the air intake, but I can't really tell much difference myself from day-to-day driving. But yeah, it's all good, it's all good. You know what though? I'm telling you, the roads are just getting worse and worse as the years go on. Like, I don't remember them being this bad. There's just potholes appearing from anywhere now. You could drive down the road yesterday, come down it the next day, and all of a sudden there's a flipping massive pothole. It's like a flipping crater's hit it. So at the moment we're in normal mode, all the valves are closed, not much noise coming out the back. Gosh, the sun is shining. Don't know if you can hear it, but that intake is whistling away. Let's open up these valves. look, I'm not here to say, you know, this is the fastest car in the world, Golfs are super fast. I'm not deluded or anything like that. But if you can't tell me, or if you can tell me you can't have fun in a Golf R, it's the biggest lie I've heard all year. I mean, it's wrapped in PS4 S's, it's got KW suspension, so that definitely improves like the handling of the car. It's nimble as is, the chassis so nimble, but with those little added extras, it's like the cherry on top, really. And I don't know if you heard back there or not, but the overrun on this is stock. I haven't done anything, it's not got a pop and bang map on it or anything like that. It's just the stock overrun, but where the exhaust has been tuned, or not tuned, sorry, where the exhaust has been modified, it just makes it more noticeable. Me personally, I'm not really a fan of pop and bangs. I like a good overrun, but not pops and bangs constantly going off. But yeah, shout out to Deutsch Tech on the exhaust, man. Honestly. It just does the job. But you know what? It'll be interesting to know how much power with those mods that the car's actually running. You hear that? It's popping off. And it's fully catted, by the way. Fully catted. And a back box. I've had people come up to me and say, oh, mine's decat, and it doesn't sound like that. I don't know what to tell you, man. Who else hates that as well? Well, it's a pet hate, really. Anything minor that's wrong with this car, i.e. it was just washer fluid, it pings up like a big warning, like something, the car's about to flip and blow up. It's so annoying. It's like, give me a break. Honestly, it's so capable, man. But yeah, it'd be interesting to know what the power figures are just with those added mods, because it does pick up fairly, does pick up fairly quick. A niggle with this car is the gearbox. Just knock it back into normal. Yeah, the only niggle I would say with this car is the gearbox. When you're on boost, or if you're not on boost, it's kind of guessing what gear it should be in. The gearbox moves so up and down sometimes, it's like, what are you doing? I think if this car, or out of factory, the gearbox had a bit more of refinement, it would be on the button. Honestly, it's such a good all-rounder, day to day, and then when you want to have a bit of a spirited drive, it's all systems go, really. But yeah, shout out to Integrated Engineering on the air intake, man. It sounds so sick, so sick. And drop a comment in the comment section. I've got a discount code that you can use to get your IE bits as well, to help you on your build. Get started. Straight line speed's fun, but it's really in the corners where you see this car, you know, in its element. Out of a corner you can just catapult it out. You can feel the Howden system working. Guys, that was just a quick video, quick POV and a quick catch up with you guys. I know it's been a minute, but you know, hit me up on Instagram. I'm active on there all the time with content, and I'll be active on here much more than I have been in recent times. But yeah guys, like, subscribe and drop a comment, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you on the next one.